Welcome to the tutorial for ePNPlugIn Download Transaction Manager, or DTM. This video will guide you through the setup and first download process. All transactions processed from these ePN products can be downloaded and recorded in QuickBooks for quick reporting. For more information about these products, please contact your authorized representative. This feature downloads sales and refunds transactions and then records them into QuickBooks. Credit card, cash, check, and gift card transactions are all supported. Let's log into QuickBooks to get started. Once logged in, go to the Customer drop-down menu and open ePNPlugIn menu and then select Control Panel. Select Preferences. The Download Transaction Manager has a few different settings. Automatic Download instructs the ePNPlugIn DTM to perform the download process when you log into QuickBooks. Manual Download instructs the ePNPlugIn DTM to wait until you tell it to download. As the default, the notices are enabled. These notices indicate if and when transactions have been downloaded. Depending on your business practice, choose the one that meets your business needs. Let's select Automatic Download and save the changes. You will need to reboot QuickBooks to activate this feature. Once you log back in, the first-time download procedure will initiate for you. You may use the day you install if you have no previous transactions to record, or you can select the date in the past you want the system to start from. This will be marked in the server and only download transactions from this date forward. Select a date and click Setup. It will warn you of the date that you want to set in the system. Click OK to continue. The first section I'll discuss is the Ready Record tab. This tab is where the downloaded transactions that were properly assigned will list until they're recorded. For transactions from ePN Bill Pay or other transactions where the invoice number was provided, the transactions are instantly assigned. The secondary assignment is using the name of the customer and the amount of the transaction for assigning the payment to an open invoice for the customer. Our download is completed. This mini report will tell you how many transactions have been downloaded and what assignment. ePNPlugIn DTM was able to match the customer name and the open invoice with the same dollar amount. Select All and click Record so the payments are created in QuickBooks and assigned to the invoice indicated. The Action Required tab lists the transactions that the ePNPlugIn DTM couldn't assign to a customer or an open invoice. Here are a few scenarios that might apply. If the customer is found but an invoice was not assigned, they may be paying for more than one invoice. You can either assign the payment manually or just select and record, and QuickBooks will allocate the fees accordingly. If the customer is found but there's no invoice, you may record the payment as an available credit. QuickBooks will prompt you later to manage the payment. It could be the name was misspelled or possibly a different person is paying for the customer. These will require you to assign the payment to the appropriate customer. If the customer is not found, then payment is assigned to ePN Customer. This customer is a catch-all. If you do not reassign it, the payment will record in QuickBooks for this customer. If the customer doesn't exist in QuickBooks, you can quickly create them using the Dtm Create Customer feature and create invoices on the fly. Let's do that now. Select the customer and click the New Customer button. The ePN plugin will use the transactions data provided for the customer in QuickBooks. Once that's complete, click Assign to create an invoice for the customer. Click the Create Invoice button. This will open QuickBooks Invoice window for the newly created customer. Open the Assign window and click the Reload Invoices button to list the new invoice. Click in the Payment field and enter the dollar amount. Click Apply and Accept to assign the payment to this invoice. The transaction will move to the Ready to Record tab. Select the payment and click Record Payments. Any downloaded transactions will be found in the manager until recorded. Thanks for watching.